Hey there, Théo de Blic here. We are in France, really close to my home, and today we are at Porsche Sport, a brand from Porsche Industries. Porsche Sport is a new partner of mine and is actually the company that produces the fabric for most of our gliders and the fabric for my glitch. The idea today is to give you a tour of their facilities, of their factories, because I'm gonna try to explain to you how they are making the fabric that make our gliders. We're gonna be welcomed today by Laurie, the sales manager of Porsche Sport.
Good morning, Théo. It's a pleasure to welcome you at Porsche Sport today. As you know, this is where we've been making our Skytex fabrics for the paragliding industry for more than 30 years. So first of all, we will take you to our Badinière plant, which is where the weaving of your wing takes place. Then we will come back here in La Tour du Pin, as this is where we do the dyeing and the coating of the fabrics.
Here is the raw material. It is a bobbin of polyamide yarn. It takes a lot to design the Skytex fabric. Approximately 1000 coils. Each bobbin contains 100 kilometers of yarn. We start by separating the yarns. This drill takes the 1080 yarns and puts them together. Well aligned on the bin, the warp yarns will form a layer. This is the first stage of the industrial process. The warp yarns are assembled longitudinally. To prevent the yarns from frying during weaving, they will pass through a glue tank. The yarns, soaked in glue, come out of the machine. This cylinder heats and dries the glue. The primary beams are then assembled to constitute the warp. Weaving can begin in the next step. Here it is an air-jet loom, which will produce the Skytex fabric. That is to say, a weft yarn will be propelled with an air jet and introduced into the warp. Then, a comb pushes the weft. The weaving is now complete and we will move on to the next step. The fabric is then washed to remove the glue, then dyed. Thermosetting consists in treating the fabric at temperature in order to stabilize it. This step avoids the shrinkage. When the fabric is coated, it goes to the lab to carry out tests on porosity, breaking, tensile strength, weight control, etc. in order to meet our specifications. After coating, each roll of Skytex is inspected to identify any defects. That's it. The fabric is ready to go and to become a paraglider. This one will be used to make wings like mine or yours.